How to add your own sounds on your Snapchat stories. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can add your own sounds and songs on your Snapchat stories. So let's start. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up the Snapchat application on your mobile phone. After that, you simply have to create a new snap. Let's say that I want to add my own sound or my favorite music to my Snapchat story. So first we will have to create a snap. You can either create a snap or you can just go ahead and select music first. In here you will find the option of music. You can see right here, sounds. There is this music icon available. First thing that I want you to do is simply go to your App Store or Play Store and check for Snapchat. Search for Snapchat on your Play Store and check for updates. If there is an update available, so I would suggest that you go ahead and update your Snapchat first because this is a quite new feature, and if it's not available on your Snapchat, then maybe you need to update it. So you can see right here that my Snapchat is updated. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my Snapchat and I have this music option right here. Simply open it up and now you can see right here we have the featured option, my favorites, recents, and my sounds. In my sounds, I will be able to create a brand new sound. You can see right here that I can upload from my camera roll or I can record a sound. So I can simply click on record. There you go. A new sound has been created and now I will be able to save it. This way you can go ahead and add your own sound on Snapchat stories. You can also add a song or record a video, record a voiceover for your voice story that you want to create on Snapchat. If I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.